Welcome back to this video. If you use Android phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to scan and create PDF file without installing any apps on your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Android phone. Then you have to make sure you make use of search right here. Make it very much convenient and make sure you look for file. So right here, file, click on file by Google. Then it's going to load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this particular icon right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Then position the document and it will automatically capture the document. Once it automatically captures the document, here you can simply do some simple editing. You can come down right here and make use of crop and rotate. So if you would like to rotate the document, just work on the crop. So everything depends on what exactly you want. Then next thing you want to do here, if you want to rotate, automatic crop. So you can make use of auto crop. Then also, once you are done, hit on apply. Then it's going to crop. Then if you want to rotate, go back to crop and rotate. You can simply click on rotate right here. Everything depends on how you want the document to be. Then click on apply once you are satisfied with it. Then one more thing you can do here is that you can increase the brightness of the scan. For you to do that, simply click on filter right here. Then you can apply different types of effects, grayscale. Then you can apply color or auto. So if you are satisfied with the result, hit on apply. Next thing we want to do is to simply come to the top right here and click on done. And save file successful in scan. Click on view folder. Then you have it as PDF format scan. So simply click on it to open it up. Then that's simple as that. So basically, this is how to scan and create PDF in your Android phone without installing any apps on your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.